I'm going to Dubai. And Andy Elliott, we're going to Dubai. We got the stage in Dubai. We got some of the top speakers from that side of the world that are going to share the stage with us. And guess what? I'm going to take 5 people from my inner circle, right? So if you're interested in being in my inner circle, right, I'm going to take 5 people on me, right? Absolutely on me. 5 people to Dubai, right? I don't even know. We might even fly on a plane with Andy Elliott, right? We can all go in there. We're going to make it happen. Listen, if this is something you're interested in and you want the experience of a lifetime, you want to learn what's going on that side of the world, let me tell you something. Dubai's an absolute beautiful place if you haven't been there. It's absolutely magnificent. So if you're interested, hit me at the link below and I'll see you on the other side. Listen, today what we're going to talk about is we're going to talk about how to implement AI. So I want to go ahead and say I've been around AI a little bit. I'm not an AI expert by any means. And guess what? That's what I pride myself on, because I'm not caught up in the details. What I'm caught up in is the absolute practicality of how every single person in every single industry can use AI to win. The big myth about AI, myth number 1, is that, hey, AI is going to completely wipe out humans. No, AI is not going to wipe out humans. Remember, there's obviously several different types of AI, and it's growing and it's changing every day. AI is here to stay. AI is here to stay. It's not going anywhere. It is what it is. Okay, but remember this. So AI is not going to take away humans. There's always going to be people needed to do the critical thinking and or even some of the essential duties. But rather what I want to do today is I want to change the way that you look at AI, okay? And I'm going to get into that in the third part. The number 2 thing is hey, what are you going to do, okay? What are you going to do as far as AI goes, okay? When you look at it, people are looking at AI and they're saying, okay, it's going to get rid of jobs, or I'm going to be able to, I'm going to do this, or what am I going to do? Well, yes, listen, the AI revolution is upon us. So the fact is you need to be learning new skills, but this is already before AI. If it wasn't AI, we're already in the age of the internet. And ever since the internet came, everything's been moving rapidly faster. Then social media came and it went even faster. And then AI came and now it's moving even faster again, right? So the one thing that we can take away from all this is we're gonna have to learn new skills and we're gonna have to develop a lot faster. Okay, so it's not going away, but the good news is it's not going to wipe out your job. Okay. And the last piece that I want to share with you, and this is going to be the longest piece, what I want to share with you is how to implement AI, why to implement AI, and what it means to you, to your team, and what you're trying to do. See, one of the things that I learned early along in the process, when all the hocus pocus was going in and all the fear-based everything with AI. See, it wasn't a problem in my mindset. It was a profit opportunity. So after going and consulting and learning and developing and working with different people, I realized that the number 1 thing that we had to have was we had to have a mindset shift. We had to have a very, very big mindset shift when it comes to AI. And what the mindset shift needed to be was AI is not something that's happening to us. It's something that's happening for us. And it's not something we're doing to our teams, it's something we're doing for our teams, right? So people come in like, oh my God, I'm not gonna be worth any money. Well, I'll tell you what, now the way that we introduce AI and the way that I coach people to introduce AI is, hey, AI is designed to make, we've all used ChatGPT at this point, right? You know, and has ChatGPT helped you do different things? Right? Has it enabled you and given you the opportunity to maybe think faster, develop things faster, do outline? There's so many different things that ChatGPT has done, and it's really been an aid for everyone to be able to do things faster and really just to keep the pace of what's already happening. So you've already implemented that. But now the thing is how can you take the other forms of AI, take them to your team and implement them? And that's really what it is you need to do. You need to introduce a way of thinking, right? So first we get the mindset shift of AI is not something that's happening to us, it's something that we happen for us. And then as leaders, we realize this isn't something we're doing to our teams, we realize it's something we are doing for our teams. Okay? And what are we doing for them? I'm going to give you a really simple way of thinking about it. Let's just imagine this. We have 3 people that are doing a job, and these 3 people are making $30 an hour. And we're getting ready to double in the size of our business. We're getting ready to scale. And or whatever the case may be, or one person says, hey, I want to retire, I want to move on. Whatever the story may be, whether you're looking to double in size or whatever the case may be. But now all of a sudden, the company has the ability through use of AI, through these magical 3 people to double, or the 2 people that are left, they realize, wait a second, we don't need the other human. See, it's not a problem when the person sitting next to you isn't necessarily required for the company to function at its higher best use. See, it's not a problem, it's a profit opportunity for you. Because if you're the person that can be the embracer of AI, and you can realize that you can be the person to propose the idea of, or the thought process of, hey, we don't need another person. We can go ahead and we can implement this technology. And in fact, we don't only need this other people, we can actually handle XYZ capacity as a result of it. And I'm going to champion that project. And what I would like to do is I would like to go from $30 an hour to $35, but I'm going to save you another whole $30 an hour salary. See, it's not what's happening with AI, it's how you perceive it. And the beauty of it is, between ChatGPT, between Google, between YouTube, between all the search engines that are out there, between all the educations, and let's not even talk about mentors and coaches. You can be a foremost industry expert today. You know, there's beautiful programs out there. There's Connect, right? There's Connect. There's other things that you can do to access very intelligent, very successful people that are absolute pros in the space. So either which way, here's the thing. Let's bring it all together. What my purpose for today for communicating with you is, I want you to change the way that you think about AI. And I want you to think, how can AI help myself or my team produce more? And through that production of more, how can I ultimately be rewarded for it? See, I think every entrepreneur, every business leader, every business owner is waiting for someone to walk through their door, and or if you're an entrepreneur, a business owner, whatever the case may be, but whether I'm speaking to you or I'm speaking to your team, everybody wants that person. If you're a vendor and you're selling AI and you have a great product to share with the world, maybe you should rethink your presentation of it. Maybe you should really go in and instead of selling the fear that everybody's already bought into, maybe you should go ahead and say, hey, you know what? This is what can save your team, right? This is what can take your people to the next generation so that they're not lost and left behind. Remember something, you know, there's a lot of people have a lot of opinions that are going around in the world, right? But one thing's a fact. We have an opportunity in our homes, in our businesses, and in our communities to make a difference right now. And AI is here to stay. So let's go ahead and look at the positives of AI, and let's go ahead and take a leadership role in it and shift our mindset in how to do it. So here's the thing. I hope I gave you a different perspective on AI today. I trust that you're going to see a lot more of this as people learn more about it, right? And there's more available. But either which way, if you found value in this, like, subscribe, or share.